My name is Viviana Garcia. With this video, I want to develop the first activity in this course, that is English 7. So I want to start my presentation with introducing myself. My name is Viviana Garcia. I am 39 years old. I am a nursing assistant. I am a student of a 7th semester of Bachelor of English as a Foreign Language. I live with my husband, my daughter, and my pet. I want to tell you some aspects of myself. I live in a small apartment in Suachacunino Market, and also I work near home in a medical center. I'm very friendly, I'm really funny, and hardworking. I like going to the movies. I like funny and horror movies. My favorite movie is The Max, and I hate going to the supermarket. My favorite book is Frankenstein. I love English pop music. My favorite singer is Laura Pregossi. My favorite food is fried fish with potatoes, and I hate vegetables and prefer fruits. Okay, continue with the activity, guys. I want to explain you the purpose of this course. The purpose of the course is oral production tasks in real time, interaction that will improve their abilities to express themselves fluently and spontaneously. Outcomes of the syllabus. We have here 4 outcomes of the syllabus. The first one is demonstrate oral skills to express fluently and spontaneously about different cultural subjects for social or academic purposes. Discuss controversial issues using pro or con arguments to convince a counterpart towards a specific point of view. Interpret extended speech even what is not clearly structured and when the relationships are only implied and not signally explicit. 4. Describe complex subjects with clear and detailed information, developing particular points and rounding off with appropriate conclusion. Synchronous interaction activities in this course. Peer interaction to enhance oral production skills regarding academic and cultural subjects, developing sociolinguistic skills through the debates, delivering accurate online meetings and presentation through web conference system. Activities of this course. This course has 6 tasks that are divided into the initial moment, intermediate moment, and final moment. Task 1, that is, we are developing in this moment, reflecting upon English language awareness. Task 2, partaking in 7 weekly mandatory encounters. Task 3, debating controversial issues. Task 4, speaking part of Cambridge C1 Advanced. Task 5, standardized tests, listening quiz. Task 6, delivering and speech through a web conference system. Real-time interaction in this course. Participate in real-time debate to defend a point of view regarding a controversial issue. Take part in an interview in first performing a mock of the speaking part of the exam Cambridge C1 Advanced. real-time presentation to a web conference system. The course route and recognition in my own words. The first puzzle that we have to keep in mind is all technological security policies that general student regulation, plagiarism, and etiquette in an act. We have to take in mind virtual platform, and it is important to note that we need a webcam to provide our facial recognition, maybe through the computer or our cell phone, with photos and videos. On the other hand, we have to be respectful with our classmates and trainees all times, working with high values of the respect, honesty, tolerance, and solidarity in all types of interaction. My level of English must be at least B2 according to the CEFR to participate in real-time or synchronous interaction activities. Create online collaborative learning environment to foster our English skills. I will to check the internal mail of the course and institutional mail constantly and start my participation on time according to the instructions given by the course director. And every Friday or Saturday I will be checking the material and instruction in the internal mail of the course, besides participating in the scheduled web conference of the course and other synchronous meetings to train myself. In the second step, reflection upon the English Language Awards. The first question, have you got an English language level certification? No, I didn't get any language level certification. In the last semester, I have to do one that is free online that is called Standard English Level. I got B2 level. The second question, how did you get the level you have now? Okay. I have been studying English language for 10 years. And I tried many methods, a natural approach, because I memorized long list of vocabulary. Also, I did 6 short courses, English courses, where I have to translate word by word in order to understand the context of many readings that I have to do before. I like English songs, movies, and also I try to see that many times as I can. Number 3, why are you studying English as a foreign language? I have followed the language way for 10 years, that I said before. So I started to study English with short courses, but the process has been very difficult because I think I have been a lot of time trying to dominate this language. For this reason, I have to continue try and develop teacher skills to improve my teacher practices to help others to learn. Number 4. How is studying a language as an adult different from studying as a child. The difference is made by the brain and its learning capacity. All children learn easily and can develop a native speaker pronunciation. On the other hand, you see, an adult can take more time to learn and develop good pronunciation, but it could be possible if the adult work very hard on it. Number 5. How long should you study a foreign language? I think there is not a specific time to learn in a new language. That depends on each moment that you can take advantage of it to practice and learn new things. If you practice and study every single day and work very hard, the result can be in a short time. Number 6. How can you make language learning a part of your life in the future? I think you can use the language all time. You have to speak in English, read the news, listen to music, or maybe see all types of programs, television, movie, everything in English. And you can hear English movie song, and on the other hand, the movie move to another country can be a good idea, where the language will be in English to improve your skills, your pronunciation, and you can say like a native speaker English. How you can organize lifelong language learning? I think practice is very important to get high levels, so you must study and practice English every day at less than 1 hour a day to work very hard to improve your knowledge. Okay, that is all about my video, teacher. I hope you enjoy this video and presentation.